How to fix no notification sound in Moto G17 power. First of all, turn off do not disturb. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Click on do not disturb and click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on notification. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Select app that you want to turn on notification. After selecting app, click on notification and turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix notification no sound in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.